Building a home is more than just construction. It's a deeply personal journey. It's about creating a space that reflects you, your tastes, and your lifestyle. It's about crafting a haven where memories are made and cherished, a place where every corner tells a story. It's an exciting journey of turning visions into reality, where your dreams take shape brick by brick. Imagine walking into a home designed specifically for you, where every detail has been thoughtfully considered. Every corner speaks to your style, every piece of furniture chosen with care, and every room caters to your needs, providing comfort and functionality. That's the beauty of building your own home. It's a reflection of who you are and what you value. Whether you're starting a family, looking for a place to grow, or seeking a peaceful retreat to unwind and relax, a custom-built home offers a unique sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that is unparalleled. It's a testament to your hard work, creativity, and vision, a tangible result of your dedication. So take a deep breath, embrace the process, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. The journey may be challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, offering support and expertise, providing creative and practical tips to make your dream home a reality. Together we can build something truly special. Like any great endeavor, building a home starts with a solid plan. This is the phase where dreams take shape and visions transform into concrete goals. It's about laying a strong foundation for a smooth and successful construction process. Begin by defining your needs and desires. How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you need? Do you envision a spacious kitchen or a cozy reading nook? Next, determine your budget. Be realistic about your finances and explore financing options if needed. It's always wise to have a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Remember, thorough planning and preparation are the cornerstones of a successful home building project. They provide direction, prevent costly mistakes, and pave the way for a stress-free experience. With a clear vision and budget in mind, it's time to bring your dream home to life on paper. This is where blueprints come into play, serving as the roadmap for your entire construction process. Collaborating with an experienced architect is crucial during this phase. They will translate your ideas into detailed blueprints, ensuring functionality and structural integrity. Consider the flow of space, natural light, and future expansion possibilities. Do you plan on adding more rooms down the line? Incorporate these considerations into your blueprints. Remember, blueprints are not set in stone. Don't hesitate to discuss any changes or modifications with your architect. This is your dream home, and the blueprints should reflect your evolving needs and aspirations. Today's home building landscape offers a plethora of innovative and sustainable options. Explore modular building approaches which involve constructing sections off-site and assembling them on your land. Think about the orientation of your home. Positioning it to maximize natural light and ventilation can significantly reduce energy consumption in the long run. Consider incorporating energy-efficient windows, solar panels, and sustainable materials. These choices not only benefit the environment but also save you money on utility bills in the future. Remember, building smart is about making conscious decisions that prioritize efficiency, sustainability, and long-term cost savings. It's about creating a home that's both beautiful and environmentally responsible. Section 5. Making the most of its space optimization tips and tricks. Whether you're working with a sprawling floor plan or a cozy cottage, maximizing space is essential for creating a functional and comfortable home. The key is to make every square foot count, ensuring that no area is wasted and every corner serves a purpose. Clever design tricks can make even the smallest rooms feel spacious and inviting. For instance, using light colors on walls and ceilings can create an illusion of more space, while mirrors can reflect light and make a room appear larger than it actually is. Consider built-in storage solutions like window seats with hidden compartments or under-stair drawers. These not only provide extra storage but also add a unique design element to your home, making it both practical and stylish. These maximize vertical space while keeping your belongings organized. Vertical storage solutions, such as tall shelves and hanging organizers, can help you make the most of your wall space, freeing up floor area for other uses. Utilize multifunctional furniture, such as sofa beds or extendable dining tables. These pieces are perfect for small spaces as they serve multiple purposes, allowing you to switch between different functions with ease. These versatile pieces adapt to your needs, providing extra sleeping space or seating when you have guests. Additionally, consider furniture that can be easily folded away or expanded, giving you flexibility in how you use your space. Remember, every inch counts when it comes to space optimization. Even small changes like rearranging furniture or adding storage baskets can make a big difference in how spacious and organized your home feels. Think creatively, and don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts and furniture arrangements to discover what works best for you. Sometimes the most unexpected configurations can turn out to be the most efficient and aesthetically pleasing. Section 6. Building green, eco-friendly materials and practices. Building a sustainable home is not only good for the planet, but also beneficial for your health and well-being. Choosing eco-friendly materials and practices can create a healthier and more energy-efficient living environment. Opt for sustainable building materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, or recycled steel. These materials have a lower environmental impact than traditional options. Consider installing a rainwater harvesting system to collect and reuse rainwater for irrigation or flushing toilets. This conserves water and reduces your water bills. Remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. By making conscious choices during the construction process, you can minimize your environmental footprint and create a healthier home for you and your family. Section 7. Letting there be light, interior design and lighting solutions. Now comes the fun part, infusing your personality into your new home through interior design and lighting. This is where creativity meets functionality, and every choice you make can significantly impact the overall feel of your space. From the furniture you select to the lighting fixtures you install, each element plays a crucial role in defining your home's character. A well-thought-out lighting plan can transform the ambience of a room, creating warmth, depth and visual interest. Layered lighting, which includes ambient, task and accent lighting, can make a space feel more dynamic and versatile. Imagine a cozy reading nook with a soft glow, or a dining area with a statement chandelier that sets the mood for dinner parties. Incorporate a mix of natural and artificial light sources. Natural light can make a room feel more open and airy, while artificial lighting can be used to highlight specific areas or create a particular atmosphere. Think about how the light changes throughout the day and how you can use different types of lighting to complement this natural rhythm. Maximize natural light by incorporating large windows and skylights. These features not only brighten up your space, but also connect the indoors with the outdoors, bringing a touch of nature inside. Consider the placement of your furniture to ensure that you're making the most of the natural light available. For artificial lighting, use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination. Task lighting focuses on specific activities, and accent lighting adds drama and highlights architectural features or artwork. This layered approach ensures that your home is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Choose a color palette that reflects your style and creates the desired mood. Colors can influence emotions and perceptions, so think about how you want each room to feel. Soft, neutral tones can create a serene and calming environment, while bold, vibrant colors can energize and inspire. Soft, neutral tones evoke a sense of calm, while bold, vibrant colors add energy and personality. Don't be afraid to mix and match different shades to create a unique look that is entirely your own. Accent pieces like throw pillows, rugs, and artwork can also add pops of color and tie the room together. Remember, your home should be a reflection of you. Personal touches such as family photos, travel souvenirs, and handmade items can make your space feel more intimate and special. These elements tell your story and make your home truly one of a kind. Don't be afraid to experiment with different design styles, textures, and colors to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Mixing modern and vintage pieces, combining different materials, and playing with patterns can result in a harmonious and eclectic look. Ultimately, your home should be a place where you feel comfortable and inspired. Section 8. creating an oasis enhancing your outdoor space. Your outdoor space is an extension of your home, offering a place to relax, entertain, and connect with nature. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, there are endless possibilities for creating an inviting outdoor oasis. Design your outdoor space with intention. Create different zones for dining, lounging, and gardening. Use comfortable furniture, outdoor rugs, and string lights to enhance the ambience. Incorporate natural elements like plants, water features, or a fire pit. These additions create a sense of tranquility and bring the beauty of nature closer to home. Remember, your outdoor space should be an extension of your indoor living area. Create a seamless transition between the two by using similar colors, materials, and design aesthetics. Section 9. Making it yours, adding personal touches for a homey feel. Congratulations on building your dream home. Now it's time for the finishing touches, those personal details that transform a house into a home. This is where you can unleash your creativity and infuse your personality into every corner. Display cherished family photos, travel mementos, or artwork that speaks to your heart. These personal items add character and warmth to your space. Incorporate soft textiles like cozy throws, plush rugs, and decorative pillows. These additions create a sense of comfort and make your home more inviting. Remember, it's the little things that make a house a home. Don't be afraid to add personal touches that spark joy and reflect your unique story.